Gender emotions. In addition to her boyfriend, a woman may also have a close friend who is unforgettable in her life and may have these characteristics. In the emotional world, love is often regarded as a part of a woman's heart that cannot be let go. However, in this complex and ever-changing emotional system, in addition to boyfriends or partners, a special role often appears in women's lives, their confidence. This character is more than just an ordinary friend. He usually has several distinctive characteristics that make a woman unforgettable throughout her life. The relationship between Lanya's confidant and her boyfriend is complex and subtle. They are not simply good friends or emotional support, but the emotional sustenance and support that women need most at a certain stage. 1. Understanding and companionship. A blue-eyed confidant can always give women unconditional understanding and support when they feel lost or confused. This understanding is not out of obligation, but comes from deep emotional resonance. A blue-eyed confidant can empathize with their joys, sorrows, anger and happiness. Whether facing work pressure or trivial matters in life, a blue-eyed confidant can always provide effective advice and responses, making women feel comfortable and relaxed. 2. Common interests and hobbies. The emotional bond between many women and their best friends is often built on shared interests and hobbies. The two have a deep foundation for communication and can have lively discussions on topics such as music, travel, and movies. This shared interest not only makes communication smoother, but also adds richness to the relationship. Few people can understand their interests, and the presence of a best friend makes their lives more colorful. 3. Companionship without pressure. One of the biggest characteristics of a male confidant is that their company often does not carry any burden. Compared to a boyfriend in an emotional relationship, a male confidant does not have too many responsibilities and expectations. The time they spend together is often relaxed and free, and women do not need to think too much about the future and responsibilities. This state makes the relationship between the two more pure, allowing each other to feel relaxed and at ease. 4. Give honest feedback. When communicating with a male confidant, women often get the most authentic feedback. Because for a male confidant, this relationship is non-competitive and does not make people feel pressured. They can pour out their confusion and troubles, and the male confidant will often help them analyze the problem and find solutions from a rational perspective, rather than reflecting their emotions from an emotional perspective. In such communication, women not only gain a perspective to solve the problem, but also feel comforted in their hearts. 5. Deep emotional connection. Finally, the emotional connection between a male confidant and a woman is often quite deep. Although there may not be romantic love between them, the depth of this emotion often exceeds that of a simple friendship. In a sense, a male confidant can give a woman emotional warmth and support. This deep emotional connection makes it difficult for women to erase the good times with their male confidant in their memories. In today's society, women's independence and growth are increasingly valued. However, the emotional journey is not always smooth. Facing various challenges in life, the appearance of a close friend is like a ray of warm sunshine, illuminating the corners of their hearts. The time spent with a close friend is often an important moment for women's spiritual growth. The secrets and happy moments shared will leave a mark in women's hearts. Even in the passage of time and changes in life, this unique emotion will still be treasured in the heart. In ordinary life, a confidant is not only a conversation partner, but also an important presence in the depths of each other's emotions. They help women understand themselves and make them feel the warmth of being cared for and loved in emotional consultation. In the days to come, cherishing the time with a confidant and valuing each other's emotions will make life full of infinite possibilities. Here, I wish all women can have such a confidant in their lives. Whether in the past or in the future, I hope that we will have such a warm presence in our hearts, accompanying us through every stage of life, bringing us bright smiles and warm support. I hope that you and I can find someone who truly understands us in the journey of life and work together to move towards a better tomorrow.